At least 5 close contacts of Tacloban City Mayor Alfred Romualdez tested positive for COVID-19. On December 10, the local government of Tacloban announced Romualdez tested positive for COVID-19.
I thank everyone for your support and your prayers. I feel much better. So, yun, mag-ingat lang tayong lahat dahil hindi pa tayo lusot dito. So, fellow Taclobanons, advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and please be safe. You don't want to get this, but this is not a joke, you know. In fact, nahirapan din ako, but, thank you for your prayers. Good day.
While in isolation, the mayor released this photo taken by his nurse. Romualdez wanted his constituents to see that he was up and about doing his work as mayor.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.